Hi! So in this video we will see NVIDIA Quadro GPU versus NVIDIA GeForce. We will compare in 3 AA Plus games and the main test in spec ViewPerf 13 Professional benchmark. Quadro is a professional video card and GeForce is not. So we took equal Quadro and GeForce mobile cards and test them. First is Quadro M5000M and second is GTX 980M. Both of them based on GM204 chip and have the same specs, except core clock slightly higher in GTX GPU. So let's start from in-game performance. There are a lot of people think that professional GPUs like Quadro not suitable for games, but it's wrong. In fact, these GPUs had about the same performance in games as equal gaming GPUs. People think like this because new ones professional graphic cards cost about 2-4 times more than gaming. That's why it's not so clever to buy it for games. But if you have Quadro GPU, you can play game if you want, of course. As you can see, top games not a problem for Quadro M5000M, and performance about the same as GTX 980M. I think because of higher core clock, GTX card have about 5% better FPS. After the games test, let's see professional software. This is 3ds Max, and here both GPUs again about the same. Second is Katya application from Dassault Systems. And here we are. Quadro is about 2-3 times faster in most tests. By the way, in this video you see not all tests from spec ViewPerf benchmark, but only part of them, to make this video not so boring. The next one is Creo, one of the 3D CAD software. And here as well we see about 50-80% better results on Quadro. The next one is Autodesk Maya. Here sometimes about the same, and sometimes GTX is much better. And in this program I noticed some interesting things. RAM usage on Quadro about 50-100% more than GTX. I don't know how to explain it actually. If somebody knows, please clarify in comments. medical bunch of tests. This is a 4D HUD dataset comprising multiple 3D volumes iterated over time. Stag Beetle dataset. An MRI head scan. A CT scan of the right upper thorax and arm. Next one is Autodesk's Showcase. The model used in the VF set contains 8 million vertices. The same as in Maya, here both GPU about equal. An X8.0 application from Siemens PLM. And here we can see in some modes a huge difference, about 30 times. We cannot show all tests because on GTX it's very slow. And finally a lot of SolidWorks tests. So here you can see combined results for all benchmarks. GPU about equal in 3ds Max, Maya, Showcase, and Quadro have an advantage in all other, including huge differences in Siemens NX. So choose wisely. Thanks for watching, bye.